Welcome back to Math for class 12th. Good morning, student. Chapter 3. Topic Invertible matrices. Invertible matrices. A definition of inverse or inverse matrix. Okay? Inverse definition of inverse matrix. If A and B are square matrix such that AB equal to BA equal to identity then B is called the inverse matrix of A, or then A is called the inverse matrix of B in both condition is denoted by A inverse or B inverse. Okay, then or कह सकते हैं A B equal to A inverse and A inverse equal to B. Okay, or B inverse equal to A. Let question number 1 of exercise 3.4 exercise. Okay, so 3 point important of exercise 3.4, one by one. Yes, one topic is left. Elementary operation. Elementary invertible matrices. Okay, by elementary method. This method is important method. This type question coming in the board of examination, 6 marks question, only 6. So definitely let X and A be a matrix of the same order such that X equal to AB. In order to apply a sequence of the elementary row operation or matrix equation X equal to AB or column matrix. Okay, we have inverse matrix have 3 methods, only 3 methods. First method is interchange of the any 2 row or 2 columns. Okay, number second, multiplication of any element of any row or any column. And third, the addition of 2 elements of any row or column, the corresponding element of any other row of the column multiplied by any non-zero multiplicals. Okay, that is K. These 3 methods. Only apply row method or column method. Only one method apply in a question. So use a simple first method, first question. Let first question use row method. Okay. First let A equal to 1 minus 1, 2 and 3. A equal to, let A equal to 1 minus 1, 2 and 3 by row matrix. Use row matrix. Okay. So A equal to this. The first formula A equal to IA. This is a inverse matrix formula. Okay, A equal to IA. So putting this I equal to 2 by 2 matrix. Putting 1 minus 1, 2 and 3 equal to I 1 0 0 1 and A. This type solution. See the points. Row matrix means row, one row, two row. Move to first column, top to bottom, and second bottom to top. Moving the element by element means first element change to in identity element 1, and second change to 0, and this 1 and also 0. This is a row matrix, row method matrix. So elementary matrix have two methods, row matrix and column matrix. Column matrix, column matrix wise the row change, and row wise moving in this question, so already changed to column. The first column change in the 1 and 0. This identity replaced to this matrix, or this matrix changed to in this place, is called a elementary mathematics. Okay, elementary matrix of mathematics, right? So this value change, so 1 is 1, right, and second 2 change to 0. So the row minus row, moving only row by row, so R2 minus this symbols R2, this place is the R2 tends to R2 subtract 2R1. Okay, R2, this value is also R2, but R2 minus R1, R1 is a 2, so multiply 2 in R1, so 2 1 is 2 minus 2, or 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, sorry, 1 is also placed, no, this is also fixed, so 2 minus 2, this 0, and 3 minus 2, so 3 minus 2 minus minus plus 5. Okay, and this 1 0 fixed, and 0 minus 2 minus 2, and 1 minus 2 0 means 0, so this is 1, is A. Okay, and next replace, change in this 5 change to 1 identity. Okay, so R2 tends to 1 by 5 R1, sorry, R2 1 upon 5 R2. So 1 minus 1, 0 upon 5 0, 5 upon 5 1, this is equal to 1 0, minus 2 upon 5 2 by 5, 1 upon 5, this is equal to A. This value changed to 0, so addition of 1 plus 0, this 0, R1 tends to R1 plus R2. Okay, this R1 change of place, R1 plus 0 1, minus 1 1 0, and 2 there is same R1 1 plus this right side of 1 2 by 5, 1 plus minus 2 by 5, 5 minus 2 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Okay, 0 plus this 1 upon 5, R2 are same, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. This is A. Identity matrix, this is I equal to this matrix, and A, this is A, I upon A means inverse are same, 3 by 5 1 by 5. Okay, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5, this is also inverse. Clear? I upon A equal to A inverse. So this transfer, so directly solve, directly write here to 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Okay, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5, this right. Okay, that is your answer. This type solution by elementary method. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, and let 3 by 3 matrix and solve. 3 by 3 matrix, question number 1 to 14. 1 to 14 are 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and question number 15 16 17, let's 17 last question है 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so let A equal to 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 or 0 1 3. Okay, change, find the inverse matrix by elementary mathematics. By elementary matrix method. Find A inverse. Okay, तो by A inverse तो A equal to I equal to 3 by 3 matrix. तो A 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 and 0 1 3 equal I 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This one and A. Okay, change both side, change same rule like. Okay, this change, so this is also change. This 2 change to 1, 2 change to 1. Suppose this no column is not changed, only row by method. By row method I led by row method. row method. So row r1 r2 r3. Okay, I change r1, first element of r1. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So r1 equal to r1 by 2. So this value change 2 upon 2 1, 0 upon 2 0, minus 1 upon 2. Okay, 5 same, 1 same, 0 same. Okay, 0 1 and 3 same, 1 by 1. This is also change. 1 divided by 2, so 1 upon 2, 0 and 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is A. Clear? Next, place this moving this side as A, this side top to bottom, and second top to bottom, and last bottom to top. This is a method. In row method, first column change, second column change, and third bottom to top. This is a row method. And column method, first row and second row and third. This time methods is also clear. Okay, so already changed in this method. And first 5 change to 0, so 5 change